Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning fantasy floral fashion effect on your photo using the latest tool inside Google Gemini, powered by Nano Banana. It's super easy and you only need a photo plus one prompt. First, just open Google Gemini and then log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just go to tab create image, and then or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google newest feature that for instant photo editing with just a text prompt. Now just upload your photo. You can pick any portrait shot that you like. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this. And after your photo is uploaded, it's time to write the prompt. For example, I will type my prompt like this. Just type your prompt like this. For example like this. This will instantly turn from your picture into a high fashion editorial style image with a dreamy floral backdrop. And then just tap on generate. Okay, like this. Just look how gorgeous this is. The photo looks like it came straight out a fashion magazine. And I will call this Fantasy Floral Fashion Effect because it blends fashion photography vibes with a surreal floral world. And okay, that's it, super quick and super easy. Just go ahead and try this effect with your own photos. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.